Okay, today we're featuring a 2016 Mazda CX3 Touring. It's got 30,000 miles on it. It's Soul Red metallic in color. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It's a local trade. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. It does have the turn signals in the side mirrors. Got your lock unlock button here on the driver door handle. Right. Driver's side of the vehicle is in good shape. Our way across the rear of the vehicle, everything looks good here. It does have a rear backup camera, dual exhaust. It's got the lock unlock button here on the passenger door, turn signals in the side mirrors here. Exterior of this CX3 is in great shape. Once again, it's a 16, it's got 30,000 miles, clean Carfax, one owner, local trade. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the black door panels with a nice red trim here. Got the carbon fiber trim as well. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Does have black leather seating. Kind of the cloth insert here with the red trim. But driver's seat's in good shape. Alright. Got your blind spot monitoring button right here. So I'll point that out to you. It does come with the keyless entry key fob. Got two of them here. Okay, it's got your control center here for the display, and we'll show you that in just a second. Alright, it is an automatic. Got your sport feature right here. Black leather seats, passenger seat. It's in great shape as well. Alright. Got your USB ports down there, power outlet, CD player. Got your climate control area. Heated seats right there. It's going to have your radio display and backup camera right there, and we'll show you that in just a second. Got your push button start. Leather wrapped steering wheel, kind of got that carbon fiber trim on it as well here. It's got your steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Alright, it's got 30,029 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and show you that display. Okay, this is your radio display. It's got all the different apps, okay, communication, navigation, settings, entertainment. So we'll go here to navigation, we'll select navigation. Alright, and there's your navigation. Alright, we'll go back to the home screen. Go ahead and put it in reverse and engage the backup camera. Okay, it's got the guidelines on there as well. Alright, then you've got your climate control area, got your heated seats here. And here, there's the passenger one. Alright, climate control area, CD player. Got USB ports right here, auxiliary port, and a power outlet right all through here. Okay. Once again, it's an automatic. All right, let's go ahead and hop out. We'll take a look in the back seat. And I'm going to go ahead and walk around and open up these doors. The interior is so dark, I want you to be able to see what I'm telling you here. Go ahead and open up the lift gate too. There we go. Alright. Alright, door panels back here look good. Got the same kind of red trim with the carbon fiber right here. Back seat carpet is nice and clean. Alright. Back seats well taken care of. Leather looks good. It's got the same kind of setup with the cloth inserts here. But back seat leather looks good. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Carpet back here looks good. Oh, excuse me. Got a little bit of storage back here. Okay. I'll stand to the side so you can see the depth of just how much room you got. So you got a good bit of room back here in the CX3. Go ahead and show you the seats from this passenger side angle as well. So you can see the back seats are well taken care of. Only 30,000 miles on this CX3. Clean Carfax, one owner, local trade, well taken care of. Alright, let's take a look at the wheels and tires. Got 16-inch alloys. Alright, they're in really good shape. Tires are good, got plenty of tread left on them. Alright, once again, it's a 2016 CX3 Touring. Alright, 30,000 miles. Got a clean Carfax, one owner, local trade. You got to come down and check this one out. Navigation, backup camera, all the bells and whistles. All right, come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.